Curacao is truly an ideal Caribbean escape. The island is really easygoing and super vibrant. This amazing travel destination will never disappoint you as it is home to some of the world's stunning beaches. In this video, we'll be sharing with you the most beautiful beaches we truly loved during our stay in Curacao. The first beach we ever visited was Aiboy. It's about 30 minutes drive to the northwest of Willemstad. On the way there, you can stop by and spot flamingos at Sint Willebroers. It's one of the best places to spot flamingos in the area, but unfortunately we haven't really spotted that much that day. And another thing is, it's just for free, which is really good. So here's our first beach for this trip. The Aiboy beach is in a secluded bay surrounded by the cliffs. This is the smallest and the most quiet beach we've been to. There's no entrance fee and also parking is for free. Our snorkeling experience here was really fun and definitely one of the best experience we've ever had. Just 10 minutes drive from the Aiboy is this beautiful, stunning beach named Playa Porto. This beach is quite bigger with white sand, and yes, the water color is really extra. So you have to pay for $3 per person. It can be crowded during weekends or when a cruise ship comes because it's one of the most popular beaches on the island. So good, guys. It feels like I'm just swimming in a very big pool. The water is just so incredibly blue. If you love to drive around, you can also go to the Marta Bay. It's about 20 kilometers drive from Playa Porto, and you'll get to enjoy a nice viewpoint. There, guys. Jesus. Oh my god, this is so incredible. Oh my god, this is so dreamy. You can also jump here. Let's do cliff jumping. Maken here. Oh, Jesus, so nice. Oh, so blue. I can't get over it. If you are looking for a little extra adventure like cliff jumping, you'll definitely enjoy Grote Knip. Aside from its bluest and clearest water, it is also really calm, so it's so ideal for small children to enjoy the beach. Just like Playa Porto, Grote Knip is also really popular among the tourists. So it can be crowded during weekends or during high seasons or even when the cruise ship comes. There is no entrance fee and definitely parking is also for free, but you have to pay for the usage of chairs and parasols. You got the perfect chill spot out there, huh?
Yep.
What do you have?
Coco special.
Coco special, and I have papaya smoothie. This is so good. This is so yum. Dumus probieren. This is so good.
Yeah.
With this view, I can't still get over how blue the water is. Right? Especially from afar. It's just so unbelievable. And yeah, so we're just gonna chill a little bit here, and then there's also another beach nearby. How it's called?
Kleine Knip.
Kleine Knip. It means a smaller version of this knip. Let's check this little spot here. This right here is so picture perfect. We're here at Kleine Knip. It's just a few meters away from the big one. So we're not gonna go into the water. Let's just check it out, how it looks like here. Lots of cactuses. Here is quieter than the other one. Guys, we are down to maybe our last beach for today. It's Playa Jeremi. It's just also a few meters away from Kleine Knip. Oh, it looks like different here. Still a nice watercolor, but the sand is a bit darker. That's Playa Jeremi. It's not so busy here. And then nearby, also a few meters away, there's another one called Playa Santa Cruz. So let's see if we can make it there. It's already late in the afternoon and we decided to go back to the city to grab dinner. But on the next day, we went to the famous Mambo Beach. We are here at Mambo Beach and it's so cool here. It's like a mall with lots of restaurants, and this is not a natural beach, it's a man-made. Here's the directory. We're gonna go to the beach area. We still not able to find where we're gonna pay, but we are already here inside and it's so vibey here. I love it so much. It doesn't look like it's man-made. Mambo Beach is the most famous and accessible beach within the island. It's only about a 3 kilometers drive from Willemstad, the city center. Mambo Beach is man-made, but it really looks so beautiful, blue and natural. It is a great place for shopping, dining, drinking, and do some water sports. Can also be crowded and super busy, but it's really vibey. Here guys, it's so nice, so cool. Have to pay for $3.50 as a general entrance fee, but until now we couldn't find where we're gonna pay for it. I don't know. It's quite huge here, so we walk all the way from there and then we're here on the, it's like the end part of the beach. Also a massage. And you wanna go back there to the main square, main Mambo Square. Also stay here, book a room. Must be pricey, but it's really nice here. It's a really nice house, and there they have their own little private beach. So guys, we are here on the other side. I don't know if it still belongs to Mambo Beach, but we decided to leave the main area and decided to explore a little bit in this area because it looks so nice. That's a nice pool. The water is just so clear. Such a nice spot for eating out.
we want to go snorkeling, and I don't think we can do that here. So let's move on to the next beach. Overall, it's super nice here. I really love the vibe. So many cool restaurants and shops. So if you just want to, you know, chill out, eat out, here is the perfect place.